Hello, my dear student. In this question, it is mentioned the following FDs hold for a relation R ABC and S BDE, and FD for the both table B determine A and A determine C, my dear. B determine A and A determine C. The relation R contain 200 tuples and relation S contain 100 tuple. Then what is the maximum number of tuples possible in the natural join? In the natural join, my. So first of all, we need to understand what is the schemas are there. Here we have one relation schema R which having ABC, and second one is S which having B, which having BDE. What are the FDs? What are the FDs? And R having how many tuples? R having 200 tuples. R having 100 tuples and S having 100 tuples. It is mentioned S having 100 tuples. And which FDs are given, my dear student? FDs is B determine A and A determine C. B determine A and A determine C, my dear. B determine A and A determine. First of all, when we take the closure of B, what we are getting? We are getting AB. We are getting ABC, my dear. We are getting ABC. So what we can conclude? B is the candidate key for relation R. For relation R. Why? Because B, when you take the closure of B, what you are getting? BAC. Yeah, ABC means getting all attribute of relation R. Getting all attribute of relation R, my dear. Getting all attribute of relation R, and there is no multiple candidate key. So what we can say ki B is the candidate key for relation R. Clear? So what is the conclusion here? Ki B having relation R having 200 unique values. Yeah, entries. 100 unique entries, my dear. Now it is asking about the natural join. So first of all, you know what is the meaning of natural join? What is the meaning of natural join? First of all, cross product. Here, when you want to perform the natural join, R A and S is EDE, then what is the condition? First of all, cross product. Second, apply. What is the common attribute? B. R dot B equal to S dot B. R dot B S dot. Then you will take only pi A B C. B is common. You will get these things. Now you can see here what is the common attribute, that is B. B is here key also. There is also there. B is here key also. What we can say here in relation R, we have 200 unique values, 200 unique entries, yeah, unique values. In S, we have 100 tuples. Then what is the possibility when you trying to join? Then what is the possibility, my dear? When you perform R join S, then what is the maximum tuple you will get? 100 maximum tuple you will get. Why? Because maximum 100 entries, yeah, values of relation S. Maximum 100 entries. Maybe there are distinct entries also. 100 distinct entries or same entries. Maximum 100 entries. And what that 100 entries? Either distinct or same, maximum 100 distinct or same entry of relation S match with relation R, my dear. Match with relation R, because S table contain maximum 100 tuple. So how many, what is the case? What is the case? Let's suppose S having only 10 values, 1 to 10. And again they repeat. When you trying to join, what happen? You will get 100. And let's suppose S having 100 unique, 1 to 100, and it having 200, 1 to 200. Then what is the maximum? 100. So here maximum, so this is the meaning of distinct, or either you can say distinct values or you can say same value, repetitive value. Then you will get 100 tuples, maximum 100 tuples. So my dear student, here A is the right answer for this question. Maximum R join S will give the 100 tuple. A is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.